Hello, wonderful learners. I'm Emily, your English guide. I've been teaching English for years, and I love helping people like you speak with confidence.
And I'm Arthur. I'm learning English just like you. I make mistakes, a lot of mistakes. But that's okay. We learn together, right?
Exactly. Arthur asks all the questions you're probably thinking, and together we make English simple, fun, and easy.
Today's topic is prepo.
Prepositions, specifically in, on, and at.
Right. Those tiny words that make my brain hurt.
Not anymore. After today, you'll use them like a pro, promise. So, Arthur, do you know what prepositions are?
Small words that go before nouns?
Yes, good job. Prepositions are small words that show relationships. They tell us where something is or when something happens.
Like the cat is in the box?
Perfect example. In, on, and at are the three most important prepositions in English. And here's the good news.
Good news. I love good news.
There are simple rules. Once you learn them, you'll never get confused again.
Really? Because right now I just guess. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes makes whooshing sound totally wrong.
I know, but not today. Today, we're going to make you confident. We'll learn when to use in, when to use on, and when to use at, for time and for place.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's do this.
Let's start with in. Arthur, when do we use in?
When something is inside?
Yes. In means inside or enclosed by something. Let's practice with places first. Places within. We use in for countries. I live in India. Cities. She works in Tokyo. Buildings. We study in the library. Rooms. The cat sleeps in my bedroom. Enclosed spaces. The cookies are in the box.
Oh, so in is like something surrounding you.
Exactly. You're inside something. Now let's try time. Time within. We use in for months. My birthday is in December. Years. I was born in 1995. Seasons. It's cold in winter. Centuries. Shakespeare lived in the 16th century. Parts of the day. I exercise in the morning. I study in the afternoon. I relax in the evening.
Wait. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night. What? Why?
I know. English is crazy sometimes. Night is different. We always say at night. Just remember this exception.
Okay. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night. Got it.
Also, we say in the future, in the past, and in a moment.
So I'll call you in 5 minutes?
Perfect. You're getting it.
Okay, let me try a full sentence. I live in New York. I wake up in the morning, and I eat breakfast in my kitchen.
Amazing. All correct. Now, let's talk about on. This one is a little different.
Different how?
On means touching a surface. Think about it. If something is on something, it's touching the top of it. Places with on. We use on for surfaces. The book is on the table. Walls. The picture is on the wall. Floors. Your shoes are on the floor. Surfaces. We sit on the chair. We sleep on the bed. Wait on the platform.
On the bed? But I sleep in my bed.
Oh, Arthur. Actually, both can be correct, but they mean different things.
What? What do you mean?
Listen carefully. I'm in bed means you're under the covers ready to sleep. I'm on the bed means you're sitting or lying on top, maybe reading a book.
Oh, so in bed is for sleeping. On the bed is just being there.
Exactly. You're so smart.
Thank you.
Now, for time, we use on for days. I have class on Monday. Dates, her birthday is on July 15th. Special days, we give gifts on Christmas Day. Specific days, I'm busy on my birthday.
So days and dates get on?
Yes, if you can point to a specific day on a calendar, use on.
Okay, I'll see you on Friday. The meeting is on September 3rd.
Perfect.
Wait, what about weekends?
Great question. We say on the weekend or at the weekend. Both are correct. In American English, people usually say on the weekend. In British English, they say at the weekend.
So both are right?
Yes, you can choose.
I love when English gives me choices.
Emily, my brain is getting full. Can we take a tiny break?
Of course. Let's do a fun quiz. Are you ready?
Ready.
First one. Where is the sun?
In the sky. On the sky.
In the sky. Good job. Okay, my turn. Where do birds sit?
On the tree. On the branch.
Yes, on the branch. Here's a tricky one. Where do you live?
That's easy. In my house.
And where is your house?
On Earth.
Yes, we live on Earth, on a street, but in a house. English is fun, right?
Fun and confusing.
Okay, break time is over. Let's learn the last one, at.
Now, at is special. At is the most specific preposition.
Specific. What does that mean?
It means at points to an exact location or exact time. Think of at like an arrow pointing directly at something. Places with at. We use at for specific locations. I'm at the bus stop. Addresses. She lives at 123 Main Street. Specific places. We'll meet at the restaurant. I'm waiting at the door. Events. I saw him at the concert. We met at the party.
So, at is like a right here, this exact spot.
Exactly. Not inside, not on a surface, just at this point.
Okay. I'm at home. I'm at work. I'm at school.
Perfect. Those are the most common ones. Time with at. For time, we use at for exact times. The class starts at 9 a.m. Specific moments, we eat at noon. The movie begins at 7:30. Night, I sleep at night. Remember this one. Meal times, we have lunch at 1 p.m.
So, at is for clock times.
Yes, if you can see the time on a clock, use at.
I wake up at 6 a.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Perfect.
Wait, earlier you said meet at the park. Was that wrong?
No, that's correct. We say at the park, at the beach, at the mall. These are specific meeting points.
But I said in 3 p.m. That was wrong.
Yes, you should say at 3 p.m. because it's an exact time.
Ah, so my friend was confused because I said in 3 p.m. instead of at 3 p.m.
Exactly. The correct sentence is, let's meet at the park on Friday at 3 p.m.
At the park on Friday at 3 p.m. Now I understand.
Okay, everybody, let's practice together. I'll say a sentence with a blank. Arthur will guess, and you guess too.
This sounds fun. First one. I was born blank 1990.
In 1990.
Correct. Years use in. Next. My birthday is blank May 5th.
On May 5th.
Yes, dates use on. Next, I wake up blank 7 a.m.
At 7 a.m.
Perfect. Now a hard one. I study blank the library blank Monday blank 3 p.m.
In the library on Monday at 3 p.m.
Amazing! You got all three. See, you're learning.
I am! This is actually making sense now.
Let's try more. I live in London blank Baker Street.
In London at Baker Street.
Excellent. I saw you at the party blank Saturday night.
At the party on Saturday. Wait, is it on night or at night?
Tricky. It's on Saturday night because we're talking about a specific day. But if you just say night alone, it's at night.
Oh, so at the party on Saturday night.
Perfect.
Now, let's imagine real situations. Arthur, where are you right now?
I'm at home, in my room, sitting on my chair.
Look at you go, using all three. Amazing.
Emily, what do you do on Sundays?
Good question. On Sundays, I wake up at 8 a.m. I stay in bed and read. Then I go to a cafe at noon.
Perfect sentence. You use all the prepositions.
Now you try. Tell me about your morning routine.
Okay. In the morning, I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. Then I leave home at 7:30 to catch the bus at the bus stop.
Brilliant. Not a single mistake. Do you feel the difference now?
Yes, it's like my brain knows where each one goes.
That's because you understand the logic now. In for enclosed spaces and longer times. On for surfaces and days. At for specific points and exact times.
Emily, can we do a story? Stories help me remember.
Great idea. Let's tell a story together using in, on, and at. I'll start. Once upon a time, there was a student named Lisa. She lived in a small town in Brazil.
Every day, she woke up at 6 a.m. She studied in her bedroom until 8 o'clock.
On Monday morning, she had an important exam at school.
The exam was at 9 a.m. She was so nervous. She put her books in her bag and left home.
She arrived at school on time. The classroom was on the second floor.
She sat on her chair and waited. The teacher walked in with the exam papers.
Lisa finished at 10:30 a.m. She felt happy. She met her friends at the cafe on the corner.
They celebrated on that special day, and Lisa learned something important in that moment.
She learned that hard work in the past always helps you at the right time.
Clapping. That was beautiful, and we used so many prepositions.
And they all made sense, right?
Yes, because we followed the rules.
Before we finish, let's talk about common mistakes. Even native speakers mix these up sometimes.
Really? Native speakers make mistakes too?
Of course. English is tricky for everyone. Mistake 1. People often say in the bus, but we actually say on the bus, on the train, on the plane.
Why? We're inside.
I know, but we think of it as standing on a platform that moves. It's just how English works.
So I'm on the train even though I'm inside it?
Exactly. But we say in the car, in the taxi, in the truck.
Oh, why is the car different?
Because you're fully enclosed in a car. In buses and trains, you're more like you're standing on a moving surface. I know, it's weird. Just memorize these ones. Mistake 2. Another mistake, at the morning or on the morning. Remember, it's always in the morning.
In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night.
Perfect. Mistake 3. And don't say arrive to. We say arrive at or arrive in.
What's the difference?
Arrive at for specific places, like I arrived at the airport. Arrive in for cities or countries. I arrived in Paris.
Oh, that makes sense.
Arthur, how do you feel now about in, on, and at?
Honestly, smiling, I feel so much better. Before today, I just guessed randomly. Now I understand why I use each one.
That's exactly what learning is. Not memorizing, but understanding.
And you know what? I realized something. These three little words, they're everywhere. In, on, at, we use them so much.
Yes, that's why mastering them is so important. They help you express yourself clearly.
I can't wait to use them correctly. No more confused friends.
And to everyone watching, I know prepositions feel difficult. I know you might still make mistakes, and that's okay.
Yeah, making mistakes is how we learn.
Exactly. Every time you make a mistake, your brain is actually learning. So don't feel bad. Feel proud that you're trying.
Learning English is like building a house, one brick at a time.
Nice. And you just used at correctly.
See, it's working.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice a little bit every day. Watch English videos, read English sentences, notice the prepositions, and slowly it becomes natural.
Like breathing.
Exactly like breathing. Soon you won't even think about it. You'll just know.
And if you forget, just remember, in is for inside and longer times. On is for surfaces and days. At is for specific points and exact times.
Perfect summary. You're amazing.
We are amazing.
Okay, wonderful learners. Before we go, we have homework for you.
Fun homework.
In the comments, write one sentence using in, on, and at. Tell us about your day.
For example, I woke up at 7 a.m. on Monday morning and I ate breakfast in my kitchen.
Perfect. We'll read your comments and give you feedback. We love seeing your practice.
And if you learned something today, please hit that like button. It helps other learners find us.
And subscribe to English with Arthur and Emily for more easy English lessons. We post new episodes every day.
We're here to help you. We're learning together.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, English is easy when you have fun.
See you in our next episode on Friday at 3 p.m.
Perfect use of prepositions. See you again. Keep learning.